Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever time it is where you are. We are back again. You're welcome here, guys. I'm so excited because when I look at the market, everything looks good. Good, 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 good. Look at this. Wow, 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 wow. Everything is in green. I mean, like the coins that we are investing in are in green. When we look at the 1 week, time frame on this banter bubble, we're gonna see that coins out there, like top coins out there that we talk about on this platform, has been doing so well, like so well, and this is good. It's good. For those of you who follow my platform, I've realized that most of you are happy because you have made massive gains already, investing with all these like in all these coins out there. You can see Gala is up 32% for the week. Gala, I've talked about Gala always, always, always when I do my show. Solana is up 28% for the week, guys. This is amazing, and you can see also many other coins are here. Ripple also has been up. But guys, what I want us to discuss today are top coins that I want us to, focus on as we embark in this investment journey during this bull market. I don't know, my computer is freezing. I don't know why. But I'm not gonna try to see if I can remove this now. Let me see. I'm freezing, guys. I'm gonna stop my screen. Let me see if that's gonna help. I think it helps. Guys, just bear with me. I'm gonna try to see how I can fix this as soon as possible. I don't know why I'm freezing. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this as soon as possible because I'm freezing and I don't want to be freezing. Yeah, I want us to, you know, be able to do this now. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me fix this. Let me fix this. Okay. Um. I think it's better now, guys. No, I'm still freezing. I'm still freezing. I don't know why this is. You know. Anyway, I'm just gonna try to see if I can take out the camera, but I'm really freezing. I don't like this right now. So I'm gonna go back to my old settings. Yep. All right. I think it's better now. I think it's better now to an extent, guys. But I'm not gonna allow this to waste us much time right now. I think I'm gonna just like do this right now. All right, guys. Yes, let me arrange my camera. This live stream today is gonna be one of the top out there that I've ever made because I want to give you guys the real gem, the real stuff. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to share my screen again. Maybe this time around it will be freezing. I think now it's not freezing anymore. Yeah, I can feel that it's not freezing anymore. But guys, you're welcome again once more. Yeah, sorry for that technical issue. At times my computer freezes because I like have so many windows open. I do a lot of stuff at the same time. But let me try to see if I can share my screen again. Hopefully sharing my screen was not going to freeze this computer again as what happened before. Okay, now you can see here, guys. Let's go to let's go to the monthly time frame. I want to show you guys the coins that we should be looking at this coming month. You can see for the past month, Solana is up 131%, right? Um, ING is up 146%, right? So what we are looking for are coins that haven't yet pumped that much, but they have good fundamentals, right? I mean, like they they still have a long way to go when it comes to upside, right? And one of these coins that I want to share with you guys today is Dot. You can see Dot has been up only 36%, only 36% for the past month, and we have seen coins like Quo up to 76%, coins like Solana up 131%, coins like Matic up 61%. So you guys should pay attention um to Dot. Dot is the number one coin I want you guys to pay attention to. We can see more upside for Dot. And the next is Quant. QNT. QNT Quant is also a coin that you should pay attention to. This coin have a good fundamentals, and it has been up for the month only 24%. Only 24%. So keep an eye on QNT. Another coin you should put an eye or keep your eyes on is Render, RONDR. Render also is a good coin, and I think they're gonna be like building more I think utility around the project. So keep your eyes on Render. Render is also a good coin, guys. I hope you're writing all these coins down. These coins, they did well last season, and this time around they haven't yet really recovered, looking for like from the all-time low. So keep an eye on this bad boy as well. Also look at Argo. Argo is another coin. Argogan is another coin that you need to put your keep your eyes on. Also keep your eyes on H-bar. H-bar is a good coin that you should keep your eyes on. IOTA, keep your eyes on IOTA as well. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is not yet done. Keep your eyes on Shiba Inu, and more particularly Dogecoin. Right, these figures I'm giving you, right, they're gonna make you massive reward, guys. Like, we haven't seen anything yet. Look at Bitcoin alone. Bitcoin alone has done so much, has outperformed Ethereum, right? And we are seeing Ethereum right now. Like yesterday alone, Ethereum did so well. So make sure Ethereum is in your portfolio. When it comes to Solana, I think we can see Solana go right up to about $25 for Solana. So Solana also is a good pick still, and Audi also is a good pick, but I don't think you should be buying Solana right now because Solana has really pumped to Solana Gala. Just try to avoid these coins. You can, buy like one if say you must, or buy like, let's say for example, you want to buy Solana, you can buy like half Solana, right, or one Solana. Is good, it's okay. If you want to buy OD, you can buy like one OD, it's okay. But try to focus on the other coins that I've mentioned already. These coins are gonna make you awesome gains, long term. These coins are from the 100 coins. Now, if say we move out of the 100 coins, right, I want you to look at um Luna Crush. Luna Crush is a coin that I have loved for a long time, and I want you to keep your eyes on. Another one is CSPRO Casper. CSPRO Casper. I've talked about Casper on my platform a couple of times, and I know most of you pay attention to my platform. You have seen it, you have heard me talk about it, and you pay attention to it. So keep an eye on that coin, CSPRO Casper. Wow, FTT coin, like FTX coin, has been up, or is up to 214%. Wow, this is good. Now, guys, the reason why I'm telling you all this, is because we are in a moment where I think we're gonna see money flow down to coins that have good fundamentals, but they haven't yet pumped. Investors are gonna be looking for the coins that haven't yet pumped that much to pour in their profit into push the price to the upside. And this always happen when the alpha give us green light, which we have been seeing Bitcoin giving us green light. Bitcoin have been showing us amazing like profit, showing us that Bitcoin is the alpha. And we have seen how price is still holding at 37,000. This is the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin, and we can see price went right up to, I think, more than 38,000. You can see, wow, yeah, more than 38,000, 38,500. Wow, that is good, good, good. Wow, wow. That means if I go, let me try to see if I can put another chart here so we can check out. Okay, this is the chart for Solana. We are seeing some pullback. Let's try to see where we can expect pullback for Solana. Let's see. No, let me go to the daily time frame so I can do this. Let's just be stay on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, I think this coin has been moving so fast that let me go to the daily time frame so it's gonna be easier for me to pull the moves here so you guys can see what I'm saying. Yeah. Okay, let me just I've already marked some points already, some area where I think price is gonna go to. And I think let me see if I can fix this again. Not that one. Okay, let me get this up to the top. How I do it. So we can, if say price is not able to go above, right? Wow, so then I've gone right up to $52. My price prediction for Solana is $75. I think after $75, I want to see some retracement. I want to share with you guys why I say so. Okay, but now these are the areas where you want to keep an eye on Solana. Like this area, this is a first zone. If say price is not able to keep going up, the first zone is around $37 or $36. This is where we're gonna see a bounce, and if price is not able to break, then we want to see price get towards $28. I think 27, $28. So mark these zones for Solana. If say we see pullbacks, then we want to see pullback towards those area. But if say we see just minor pullback and it can end at 37,000, no, $37. And when you see Solana at $37, you want to buy it, and if you see it at 27 and at $27, you want to buy it also. So these are the areas where you want to get in. And also, if you see it at around $20, then it's cheap, like it's at a discount. Just get it as soon as you can. So these are the areas where you can like accumulate a Solana. So you can already place a buy order in these zones, if say you want. And I want to show you also quant. I talk about quant already, like that is one of those one of the top coins or the top alpha that I want you guys to look at. You can see this is the daily time frame for quant, and quant have been doing well like before. Let me bring in another chart so we can see. I think we don't have much data with this. Let me see if I can bring in let's say BitGet. Yeah, let's see if we can get BitGet. Okay, with BitGet we have more data for this bad boy. You can see the high is $210, all right, and where it is right now is at about $107. The use case for this coin is good, so I think we are going to see more upside for this token. And if say Quan break this zone, let me show you guys. Like what I really enjoy is when I'm able to look at the zones and look at the areas where I can see huge price action. This is what I'm looking at with this bad boy. Look at this 8 zone here. This is a good resistance area that Quan is sitting at. If Quan break this area, this zone here, the next zone that Quant is gonna go through with test is around $133, right? Yeah, $133. That's the next zone that is gonna go to retest. The second zone is around about, wow, this is gonna be straight right up to about 160. Yeah, 160. So guys, there's a lot of money to be made, yeah, with most of these coins. When we look at also, um I didn't mention Baby Dogecoin. I think Baby Dogecoin is also a coin that you have to buy it, Floki, because we haven't seen any movement with Baby Dogecoin. Let me just do a quick analysis for Baby Dogecoin. Yeah. So we can see, okay, look at this bad boy, guys. This is a daily time frame for Baby Dogecoin. Look at where it is. It has with it has touched this support, this moving average here, this the 20-day moving average. So where price is at now, we're gonna see where we can see a huge pump, and if say price is able to move out of this zone, guys, mark this area properly. I love to trade, or I like to trade right now with like within range. Mark this area. You have seen it that price attempt the first time, yeah, it failed. No, yeah, it failed. It came here, it failed. It came here, it failed. Now we have seen that, or we can see that this moving average here is making its way to the downside, and this white moving average, which is the 20-day moving average, 20-day moving average, is going up, or it has crossed the 50-day moving average. And whenever this happens, then it's a buy, especially on higher time frame. So pay attention to Baby Dogecoin. I think right now, like if you ask me, I'll say start stacking this bad boy, because we have seen already big moves with Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Money is gonna flow to these bad boys, right? So keep your eye. We haven't seen yet any movement with Baby Dogecoin. This, but look at this. It has been moving like this. It has been moving like down, 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 down. So we have to see some upward movement. And why I think this is the bottom is because of this area here. This was the last spike to the downside, and and price has come back to retest that zone area. And when price get to that zone, we saw a bounce back to the upside, and now we have seen some retracement, and we are waiting towards the next move. So if I go to the, let's say, 4 hours time frame, let's see what's going on there, so we can see like if there's a structure building. You can see this is an uptrend. Price is building to the upside, and this is the target, yeah, on the 4 hours time frame. That's what I sent this yesterday in the group, and you can see this again around 0.000040. So that's my first target, and that's going to be about 20% up to the upside, or 70% to the upside. So this is one of the altcoins that you should put or keep your eyes on. Now talking about render, I mentioned render. Render has been going up, but look at this spike to the downside, and it held. Like it held. This moving average is represents support as well. So this is the um there's like this is my own indicator. I created this indicator myself using ChatGPT or AI, and ever since I have been trying to look at this indicator or study this indicator, I've realized that this area is always strong, like this zone here. Whenever I see price to this area on the higher time frame, I want to buy, because I expect some sort of bounce, like um pull back from this zone. And if I go to higher time frame, we're gonna see that it's the same thing. You can see, yeah, when price get to the zone, wow, you see a huge move to the upside, huge spike to the upside, and price has come back again, yeah. And if say price is not able to make like to spike to the upside, then you know that price is gonna go down. Let me bring in like Bitcoin, because Bitcoin have good data. So with Bitcoin, we can see more on this indicator that I created, how it's so accurate. You can, now this is it. I already marked this long time ago. I didn't know I did this. You can see, this is where it started. It break. It came and retest this zone. You see, immediately price came to that zone on the daily time frame. We saw a spike to the upside, and price came back again, retest it. We saw a spike to the upside. Price came back again, and price was moving around it, and immediately price break above that zone. What happened next, guys? Look at this spike to the upside. So if say you want to buy again, like if say you are like, okay, now I don't want to buy Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is is so expensive. You want to wait for a perfect moment to buy. You're gonna wait for this moving average on the daily time frame to come and retest or to kiss this this sorry, you're gonna allow price to make it way, or this moving average makes it way to the upside, you know, before you can buy. And whenever you see price kiss this, or price touching the moving average, then that's when you want to start looking at ways to accumulate on the daily time frame. This is how I go about accumulating. This indicator is free. If say you are interested, I can share it with you, but you need to have trading view, before you can do it, because I want to send you the code instead, then I'll teach you how you can get it to your trading view so that you can have the same setting like me. Yeah, I'm the only one who have this indicator in the whole world. Like, I'm the only one who have it. I'm the only one who have the code. No one else have it. So yeah, it's a bunch of indicators, and I use only this at times to trade, because it's easy for me if I go to the daily time frame, like, so sorry, to the 1 hour time frame. You can see here that on the 1 hour time frame as well, it's similar, it's the same, price moving above that zone, it's moving. But in this case, you can see here that price is respecting, or is moving around the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. So these areas this 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average are representing supports and resistance. Let me use this support, because when price makes it way to the upside, consider that price is trading above this moving average. So you can look at this on the daily time frame, sorry, on the 1 hour time frame as well, to make good decisions when you trade. And if say we look at the 4 hours time frame, let's see what this indicator is doing on the 4 hours time frame. Guys, it's the same thing you can see here on the 4 hours time frame. You see, if I zoom back, you see price break, it retests this, it retests this, and shoot to the upside. So let's wait to see if say price is gonna retest this. And from what I can see, we're gonna see some pullback with Bitcoin, because this moving average is so far away from where it is. So price is gonna consolidate somehow until this moving average makes it way to the upside, or we're gonna see some spike to the downside around $33,000 per Bitcoin, then or maybe a spike, a quick move to touch this moving average before keep going back to the upside. Price have to touch it, or like come to touch it or test it before going back to the upside. And if say Bitcoin is making these moves, then we know that other altcoins are gonna make the move, in any ways, or anyways, we're gonna see some sort of pullback with Bitcoin. So guys, I hope you have you have written the names of the alpha I gave you, in the beginning of the show. I've helped you guys so much, and I'm happy that most of you have already made a lot of money already. I'm really happy. Let's look at Audi. I know most of you are investing in my platform, investing also in Audi, because I've talked about it always, or not only often, yeah. But this is Audi, yeah. Audi has been doing so great, and again, looking at what I told you about this indicator, Audi is not like, guys, Audi is gonna wreck so many people. Because look at the spike to the upside, until price come to retest this indicator, this moving average that I told you guys here. Until price come to retest it, then I will not keep following in, or like buying, or thinking that price is gonna keep going to the upside. As you can see here, there's imbalance. There's lots of liquidity here that the market maker is gonna come to grab in this zone here. This zone here, there's lots of liquidity. I mean, hundreds of millions. Yeah, that they will come. They will move price towards this area to liquidate people. So I mean, it's sad to know that there are people who are buying, in this zone, this area here. They are buying. Yeah, price is at the zone, but they are buying without, like, what do you expect? That's why I encourage you guys to learn technical analysis. Those of you who are really willing to take your trading to the next level, you can head to my Patreon. I have these different tiers here, or you can just support me. This $3 per month. If I'm helping you to make money, you can support this platform, like support the BETONG. But if you want to take your crypto portfolio to the next level, you can join my 11.50 monthly, subscription on Patreon. Or if say you want the VIP trading community, you can do the same. And if say you wanna, like, take your trading to the next video, the next level, like crypto education for beginners. Like you are still early, then this is a price you pay monthly. And guys, you can cancel anytime you want. If say you realize that, okay, you are paying this subscription and you're not making any money, because guys, if I'm helping you to make money, and let's say for example you are part of my trading community, my VIP trading community, and I'm helping you to make money every month, it means you can pay it, right? Because I'm helping you to make money. And if say I'm helping you to manage your portfolio and you're paying me just $11, every month, it means you can pay it. If say I'm helping you to make money, all right? So it's a win-win situation, right? So head over to my Patreon. The link is found below this video. Go to my link tree and connect with me so we can start building. I've been doing this for free to you guys, that, but at least nothing is free forever. You guys have seen that I can really help you to build something sustainable. So at least, if say you cannot pay $11, but at least you can just support the BETONG, like me, what I do with just $3. If say I help you just by watching my videos to make money, then $3 is not something for you. It's not something. It's not anything. It's not anything. That you'll be thinking, okay, if say you give the BETONG this one or you support the BETONG, it's gonna be too much for you. And also, this, like, pay attention to this, guys. My NFT is here. I have talked about this, and you know most of you might not pay attention now to this, like NFT, my NFT, but in the future, I think those of you who are gonna like buy my NFT are going to benefit a lot. I'm not going anywhere. This is gonna be a big platform, a big major platform. When we have millions of subscriptions or subscribers, we have big partnerships, we have like a lot of programs going on out there. Those of you who are early holders of my NFT are gonna make massive profits, because you're gonna be able to trade this NFT, or get some benefits holding my NFT. So I'm gonna encourage you to grab my NFT if say you can. Just consider this as an investment for the next, let's say, 5 years. So that's that. And also, if say you haven't yet followed me on Twitter, go and follow me on Twitter. This is my handle, the Betong. Let me get to most, like, help me build my Twitter platform as well, so we can go together. And guys, if say you are watching and you have any question, feel free to ask me, like, any question that you want. Can see Pegula is, what do you think of Yasmi? Yasmi is a good coin. Let me just chat Yasmi quickly right now. Let's go to TradingView right now, so we can look at Yasmi. I think Yasmi is a good coin. I've bought Yasmi some days back. If say, let me see Yasmi on Binance. Yeah, Yasmin is a good coin. I think. Wow, Yasmin is spiking. I mean, guys, this is the same thing with you can see with Audi and other coins out there. But Yasmin, this bad boy is doing so well. Wow, wow. Well, let's look at the daily time frame for this bad boy. Okay, I love this because there's more data here with Yasmin. Yasmin is it's not it's not old. I mean, it's not a new coin. It's something old. And you can see, if you understand more about the vectors, I've talked about the vectors candle here. Not the vectors candle, vector candles. Yeah. If you understand more about vector candles, let me see if say I can bring another chart here. Let me see. Can I bring another chart here? No, let me see. Let me get back to this one. Okay. Now you can see here that Yasmi is making its way to this zone here. Remember, this is similar to what I showed you with the Baby Dogecoin. If say you pay attention to what I showed you with Baby Dogecoin, you realize that the next time, because Baby Dogecoin is around here, like the price is around this zone here, and it make it move like this, and this moving average crossed this this 20-day moving average cross the 50-day moving average, and price is here right now with baby Dogecoin, the next thing you're gonna see is like this. So you're gonna tell me that I'm like should I say like I have magic? No, you just looking at the chart and saying, okay, this is good. Okay, now looking at Yasmin, I think that the like if I look at the chart, this coin has been like moving to the downside for a long time now. So I think if say you want to buy this coin, then and I think now is a time to wait. No, no, not now is the time to buy. Like now is the time to like monitor the coin and look for better entries. And you can look at the moving average as a way to help you. You saw what you saw what I showed you on the 1 hour time frame. You know, with Bitcoin, you can see almost similar thing with Yasmi. You know, this area, this is acting as support and resistance, or support. Yeah, not resistance, support. So you can wait for this for price to make its way to either of this moving average. Let's say the 50-day moving average at least, you know, so that you can be safe more before you can buy again. But if say price keep doing what it's doing like that, don't buy now. You know, you cannot buy when price is so high like that. You buy when we have seen a retest of price. Let me see where I can expect, or where we can expect price to move. So this is where this move started. So let's see where we can expect price to. Okay, you can see, wow, this is the first area we can see price. We can expect price to get to. Then if price is not able to make higher highs, then price is gonna come around. Let's see what price is this 0.0046. So that's the area where you want to buy Yasmin. I think I'm gonna add Yasmin to my watch list. Let me just have into this. Let me create an outlet here. So if say price get to that area, I'm gonna be notified and I'm gonna buy this bad boy. So I've created an outlet there for you ask me. I think the upside for this token is good. Did I succeed to create that? Yeah. Let me see if I can do it again. Okay, I'm not seeing. Okay, okay, yeah. So I have an outlet now for Yasmi on that area. So when price get to that area, I'm gonna see how I can buy this bad boy. So guys, I think that's it for today. You know, hopefully the content was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then do smash the subscribe button right now, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Bye bye, guys.